Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to my tutorial video. Guys, in today's video, I would like to share with you guys a good and a cool selection technique that I have come across in Adobe Photoshop. Or actually, I knew in Adobe Photoshop, but I'm gonna make this video real quick just to show you what exactly it is. And the best part about this technique is, guys, that it works with any of the selection tools. Okay, so in some photos, you would like to use the quick selection tools. You can use that, and this technique will work with it. In some photos you may want to use the lasso tools. In some photos you may want to use the marquee selections tools. So this technique will work with any of the selection tools. Okay, so in this photograph I would like to use my rectangular marquee, and I'm just gonna basically roughly drag a rectangular marquee around this girl. And then guys, and yeah guys, before I do it, I would like to say that this technique is somewhat similar to the transformation mode. Okay, in Adobe Photoshop you would go to edit and then transform, and you would do all these options. It is somewhat similar to this thing. Now I can just press Ctrl T. As a matter of fact guys, after your selection has been drawn, the keyboard shortcut is also the same. So just make sure that you have selected the layer on which you want the thing to be applied, and press Ctrl T. And you'll see guys that a bounding box appears around my selection. And this thing basically means guys that I have put my selection into the transformation mode. And guys, I really like to use this technique a lot because of this warp selection. Because once you have pressed Ctrl T guys and the bounding box appears, you can do a right click and go to this warp. And then guys, we have all sorts of awesome options available over here. We can press the inflate. This thing is really cool guys. At least I find it really cool. And we have all sorts of other options also. Weird options as flag. We have wave, and really take a look at it guys. But yeah guys, for coming out of this technique, you first need to hit enter, and then guys you need to wait a sec. You then need to press Control D, Control D. Okay. So and now take a look guys. We have some really I would not say good, but some weird changes taking place in our image. So that's exactly what this technique is all about guys. Okay, it really gives you a lot of awesome options. The main difference guys, in this technique and in the transformation mode, is that the transformation mode will put the entire image into the transformation mode, but this technique guys allows you to put only a part of an image. Okay, because say that I don't want all this extra part or this white into my transformation mode, so I can only select this girl, okay, with the lasso tool, and then I can do with that. I can press Ctrl T, and then I can put my selection in the transformation mode, and I can put perspective, and I can do all sorts of awesome effects with it. So if I want to make it all, or if I really want to some nice effects and all, guys, you can really play with this technique as much as you want. But once again guys, I really want all my beginners to go ahead and practice this warp tool, because it is really, really cool guys. You have the bulge option, and you really have all sorts of options. You can even have custom, in which you can you have these control handles, and you can just twist it down. You can just play with it. uh, you can really play with it and come up with some awesome shapes and some really nice effects in your images. So I think it's pretty good, and I wanted to share it, so I did. So thank you for watching this video guys. If you watch this video, then please like it, please subscribe, and thank you guys.